Okay, well, taking a tour through Fort Moultrie.
Send this to Uncle Tim.
Yeah, and go down there.
Is that the way we go? Yeah.
Outside.
There's the sign that says tour.
Oh, watch your step. Huh?
Okay. Oh, it's hot. This is nice.
Okay, we're gonna go through this place.
Hold on a minute.
What? The people do not want to wait. Can't really see anything.
I didn't know we were going to do this.
It's kind of scary.
Scary?
Huh? Here's another entrance. Going through another room with sand in it. Can't see it. Woo. No.
Nah, not as much.
Echo. Oh, can't see.
I don't know what this is for. Is it inside?
No.
Okay, there's no way out of here.
Dead end?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, you go back. You can go up there.
Yeah. Like here's cannons. Over here.
Better shot up here. World War II. Or a lookout, I guess. I don't know what this is.
All the way down there. See that Sumter over there?
Yes. It is.
All right.